On the line joining points a0, 4 and b3, 0, a square ABCD is constructed on the side of the line away from the origin. Then equation of the circle having center at C and touching the axis of X is. So here it's given say the point here 0, 4, 0, 4 will be somewhere here. Say this is a0, 4 and b3, 0. A square ABCD is constructed on the line away from the origin. So here it's origin this side, so we need to construct a triangle square away from the origin. Let's consider this is a square. ABCD and now we need to find the equation of circle having center at C. Let's construct a circle with center at C. Let's think about this is a circle with the center at C and touching the axis of x-axis. Okay, to find the equation of circle we need to find the center of a circle here and radius of the circle. We'll get the equation of circle. So here what is the slope of AB? Slope of the side AB is equal to 4 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 3, that is 4 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3, and hence the slope of BC will be equal to, since AB is perpendicular to BC, slope of BC is equal to 3 upon 4, which implies if consider this angle is theta, inclination with x-axis, so tan theta, which is equal to tan theta, which implies cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5 and sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. From the right angle triangle you can get, since tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, cos theta will be adjacent by hypotenuse, that's 4 upon 5, and sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Now by using parametric coordinates from a point P3, 0 at a distance of BC, so what is the length of BC? So BC is nothing but the distance between AB, both are same, under root of 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square, which is equal to 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 is 5 units. So the side of a square is 5 units, and we know the length BC, and we know the point B 3, 0, and we know the cosine angle and sine angle of its inclination, and hence we can find the parametric coordinates. Point C can be taken as x1, that is 3 plus, we know the formula, that is x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta from a point x1 comma y1, from a point x1 comma y1 at a distance of r units. So we will find 2 points either on the other side or both the sides, we can find x1 plus r minus like x1 plus r cos theta, this point, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, and here we can consider in the negative direction x1 minus r cos theta and y1 minus r sin theta. So let's consider this point x1 plus r cos theta. R is equal to 5 into cos theta, that is 4 upon 5, comma y1 is 0 plus 5 times of sin theta, that is 3 upon 5, so which equals to 7 comma 3. So we got the center point 7 comma 3. If 7 comma 3 is the center and the perpendicular which is drawn from here, it should be equal to length 3 units, because it's a 7 units from here and 3 units, so 3 units is our radius. So which implies the radius of circle is equal to y coordinate is nothing but 3 units, and hence equation of a circle is, equation of circle, required circle, is x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square, that is 9. So this is our equation of circle.